Hello, this is the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, Anthony George Senda, except no cheesy YouTube imposters, commentators, trolls, or hackers. I spent 2 hours this morning with AT&T, with the clueless people that work there, much like the clueless people at Apple and the clueless people at Google. It's now been 30 days since my channel and my Gmail was hacked. I've received absolutely no response from Google community or Team NoTube to try to get my channel back. So I didn't pay my bill because I thought I had paid my bill. I had paid them $69 on the first. They cut off my internet about 4 in the morning. It drove me nuts. And I kept contacting their chat, which their chat bots are idiots. They're stupid. The chat is stupid. And they kept defaulting to my hacked email address. And I said, I need to change the email and pay my bill. And how am I going to do that? I got somebody who said they were live online. It took me 3 different live online people for them to give me the link to pay my bill. And then the link said, sorry, can't load the page repeatedly. So finally, the third woman managed to allow me to pay my bill. So I did it on a debit card, paid my $30, and got the internet back. And then, even after all that, the internet kept crashing. So I went quietly nuts this morning, up till 8 o'clock this morning, trying to give them $30. It's ridiculous. Okay, channel numbers are 6,658, 577 subscribers, and fetch points are, by the way, 557 subscribers. It would be really nice if you watch the videos. I would appreciate that. So, a lot of people are not watching. Fetch points are 84,789. My check is still pending. And I told Kathy, not come over today. I have no money. I have to go to the store. I have to go feed Tiny One and do laundry. But I was up last night, and I got to sleep at like 9 a.m. Woke up about 3. All right, this is Pittsburgh Unboxing. I have a new paranormal book, Rungs of Disclosure. I think that's a terrible title because most people wouldn't know what a rung is. It's a step on a ladder, among other things. Following the Trail of Extraterrestrials and the End Times. I didn't know we were in the End Times, by L.A. Marzulli. And award-winning author, internationally recognized specialist on the Nephilim, the giants mentioned in the Bible, 14 books, received an honorary doctorate of his careful and groundbreaking research. Well, shouldn't you have a bio that isn't self-promoting? I would think so. Okay, it says here, we are opening into the greatest deception ever pulled on man, and most will fall for it. David Nino Rodriguez, whoever that is. They've been here for thousands of years, making their presence known in the shadows. They might be seen by a lonely motorist on a deserted road at a closed diner. Inside invader reference. my including that. At night, frightened and confused husband in the bedroom he shares with his wife. Perhaps the most disconcerting part of the phenomenon boils down to one question: has the government been aware of the presence of all along and is covertly working with them toward some secret end? In Rings of Disclosure, what was once fringe is now reality. While reading, you'll meet regular people just like you who have encountered something beyond their ability to explain. You'll also hear from people of great faith and deep religious belief who continue to help these strange and deeply unsettling encounters with extraterrestrials. Ellie Mazzulli explores their ongoing incidents to discover answers. Who are they? What do they want? And why are they here? Can you handle the truth? Read this book if you dare. So this is just came in from Amazon, and the usual problem: I have to really bright light to read the small print, and so this is no pictures. It does have a bibliography. It has a reference thing, but notes. And as usual, like so many of these books, no index. And then they give you a long thing about the author in the back. So I will read this and make a review of it. I hope you're having a great day. It is 72 here. Let's look at the weather real quick. Excuse me. That's the wrong weather app. Weather app not working, Humid. Hold on. There we go. Okay, South Lake Tahoe is 42, feels like 34. That's the first one that came up. Wind gusts are 11, and it will be raining for 3 days in Lake Tahoe. Martinez, it is 71, feels like 62. Well, not in here, it isn't. Today rain, tomorrow rain, Friday rain. What the hell is going on here? And then no rain for the rest of a week, but rain today. And although I do not see any rain out the door at the moment, that's going to start at 10 o'clock. Okay, 10 p.m. Reno, rain. It's raining now. And 40, feels like 40. Okay, let's move this over. Whoops. Boston with Top Cat is 86. Low will be 80. Mostly sunny, but tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, get out your waders, Top Cat. It's oh my God, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Oh my God, he's getting a solid week of rain. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then he gets sunny with clouds and sunny with clouds. It's 86 today. That's brutal. Okay, New York, mostly cloudy. And rain next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania is raining, and then no rain for a week. So until next week, Friday. Walnut Creek, rain tomorrow, rain Friday, then no rain. And let's see here. Whoops. The thing is going faster than the speed bullet. Pleasant Hill, my credit union, if they ever release my check. Rain today, rain tomorrow, rain Friday, then no rain for a week. San Francisco, cloudy and rain for 3 days. Oh, joy, Kathy's going to be so thrilled. Okay, Las Vegas. Las Vegas is bright and sunny and 80. Give me a moment. Every time I open the door, my nose starts running because of my allergies. Okay. Sacramento is cloudy and raining, so we got a storm all over California. Patty is on her way to Seattle. We don't know if the plane took off or whatever. She's not calling Kathy. 91 wind gust at 24 in Phoenix is 92. Oh my God! Next week 108. Excuse me. Los Angeles, where Spencer Pratt is probably going to win the election. I hope so. The place has been turned into a sewage treatment plant on the streets. Or sewage no treatment plant, I should say. Rain tomorrow. Sunny, and it is 63. Berkeley, rain for 3 days. I'll have to call Kathy back. Concord, rain for 3 days. London, where the IRGC just drove over an Iranian activist, pro-freedom activist, And it will be raining. This is crazy. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, rain. And 59. Berlin, clear. Saturday, rain. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Build your ark, people. And then finally, Moscow, the garden spot. And I forgot we got Pittsburgh, California to do. Hold on. Moscow, 52, feels like 43. And they're getting rain for 4 days. And then more rain next week. What is with all the rain here? And then finally, where Kathy lives, rain today, rain Thursday, rain Friday, and then no rain. Now, we're thinking of going to Applebee's when we go to San Francisco. Whenever we get to San Francisco, they have a deal. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great day. Stay dry, stay safe, and click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make comments. People aren't making any comments. And be nice, please. Thank you. All right. Mama cat, I got to hold last week. She burrowed her head in my arm. It turns out that means they love you. I thought she was scared, but she wasn't purring at all and was petting her, but she let me hold her for a long time, and that's very special. I love my mama cat. All right, I will catch you next time. Another item is coming tomorrow from Amazon, and then something is coming from eBay, and I may get the stuff sent to me. Apparently, he's got the shipping address set up from the guy who sent me an empty envelope and then claimed it was delivered when it wasn't. There was nothing in the. It was like a magic act. There, see this? Nothing up my sleeve, and then there's nothing. So that's what's going on. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon and a great evening. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I will catch you next time. Appreciate all the new subscribers, and we shall see about doing a live video at some point, but it's hot in here. I hope to do live video soon. I don't know when that's going to be. I have to look it up, and with you wind up staying up all night. I watched Fate of the Hunter again because, and then the internet died right after Glenn Ford found out why the plane crashed. So, there's a spoiler for you. Sorry about that. All right, that's it for this one. I will catch you next time. I've seen that movie about 10 times. It's still, I don't know why that movie did not work at the box office in 1962. It's a great movie with a Jerry Goldsmith score. Okay, see you later. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.